Hi guys! Today we're making more stories, but this time we're going to use the second interpretation of this division problem to write different kinds of stories. Just like yesterday, we're going to have to make each number in our division problem mean something in our story. So, here's what the story's about. Sometimes, when I make movies, I need to write a storyboard. There once was a boy. There once was a rock who was falling on the boy. And unfortunately, it crushed the boy. But the story's not over. Dun 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 dun! Turns out the boy was Superman. He was just fine. So, post-it notes. I use them for storyboards. Here's my story. I got 6 post-it notes. But this is only 3/4 of the post-it notes that I need to make my story. And the question is, how many post-it notes do I need for the whole story? And the answer is 8. Since this represents 3/4 of what I need, then each pair of post-its represents 1/4 of what I need. And if each pair represents 1/4 of what I need, and this represents 3/4, I need another 2 post-it notes in order to complete the story. There we go. So, when you're writing your story about a division problem like this, the first number should have some units. In this case, they were post-its. And in these stories, the first number is the part. Remember, 6 wasn't enough. The second number is simply a fraction of the whole. And the last number should have the same units as the first. This was post-its as well. But this isn't the part anymore, this is the whole, or the total. Now it's just time to write our story. We should have 3 sentences, one for the first number, one for the second number, and a question for the third. So the first sentence. Mr. O'Malley had 6 post-it notes. The second sentence tells us that that's not enough to make a whole, and that it's only a fraction of the whole. And the last sentence asks a question whose answer is the answer to the division problem. So there you have it, taking a fraction division problem and writing a story. Have fun!